We're going to do a series of generation exercises for your artist statement. The intention here is to give you some words to work with as you're crafting your statement. Many of you have already written artist statements for one class or another. We're going to start from the basics and hopefully give you some new phrases to incorporate into your statement. Get out your sketchbook, or perhaps a big sheet of drawing paper, and answer the following prompts. Don't bother with complete sentences, just write the first thing that pops into your head. Don't allow yourself to get stuck or overanalyze, just write. For each prompt, listen to the prompt, then pause the video, and write for as long as you can. Write until it starts to feel uncomfortable. A little bit too much is better than cutting it short. What media do you use? What is interesting, exciting about this media? What is challenging or frustrating about this media? What advantage does this media offer? How is that relevant to your art? Can you make your art in any other media? List a series of adjectives that describe the visual aspects of your work. What do you like about art? What qualities are you attracted to in the art that you like? Do you respond to visual characteristics? Are there certain content themes or stories you respond to? Is art public or private? Is art for making or experiencing? List a series of nouns that your content addresses. What got you started in art? What is your first art memory? Did you have any early experiences with art? Did you know any artists growing up? What is your first memory of making art? Describe your process. How do you start? With the idea first? An image in your head? Do you start the process and discover what you're doing as you're going along? What steps do you go through? Is it always the same? Why does it change, or why does it stay the same? How do you know when a piece is finished? Okay, hopefully you spent a good amount of time writing out those into word blobs. Look over the blobs that you've collected and expand on ideas that resonate with you. Circle 3 or 5 clusters that you feel especially comfortable with, and try to make a coherent, concise, and compelling sentence for each of those. Then you can start to use those as the framework around which you can build your artist statement.